Down by the reeds where the cattails grow, a duck built a nest in the sun's soft glow. She waited and waited, then crack went the shell. Out popped some ducklings, fluffy and well. One was tiny with feathers all gray, big feet, long neck, and a wobble each day. The others blinked, he's not like us, but Mama said no need to fuss. Tried to join their duckling race, but tripped and tumbled face to face. They swam in circles nice and neat. He splashed and flailed with clumsy feet. The others giggled, whispered low, so off he waddled sad and slow. I'll find a place where I belong, and maybe learn a brand new song. A mess. He found a barn to rest his head, and dreamed of skies and stars instead. The wind blew cold, the nights were long, but still he hummed his hopeful song. Waddle, waddle through the storm, keep your feathers safe and warm. When the world feels big and wide, let your little light inside. Then springtime came with sky so blue, the trees woke up, the flowers too. He stretched his wings, now strong and wide, and something sparkled deep inside. He saw a group near the lake one day, their feathers bright in a silvery way. They looked at him, then gave a cheer. We're glad you found your way to here. Waddle, waddle, flap and glide.